Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a language on LENOVO AIO. And to do this you will need to click on the start right here, then go for the settings and enter the time and language. Right here change to the language, and now you can see Windows display language, which needs to be set in your preferred language. In this case I have only 2 installed. If you want to add additional packages you will need to click on add language, and before that you will need to make sure that you have established the internet connection. So let's add another language, and here you can see the list of all of them. In this case we're gonna go for another English language. Let's say Australia, then go for the next, and now you can select which packages will be installed. And if you want to set that specific language as your display language, you will need to click on this window right here. Then go to install and wait till the process is finished. When it's ready, change it right here and restart your PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.